My sister had basically vanished from our lives. It was as if she replaced her family with her new husband's family. She wasn't coming to holiday gatherings, not calling/texting, etc. Our mother had a health scare during that time, and it was nothing but crickets from my sister's camp. I was going through a divorce during that same time, and she didn't even check in to ask how I was coping. My son knew I was feeling rejected and sad at this unexpected turn of behavior from my sister, and this may have influenced his angry, impulsive decision to delete the photos. Nearing my sister and new hubby's 1-year anniversary, she reached out again and asked about the photos again. Not how are you? How are the kids? How is mom? Etc. She said she wanted to have some photos from the wedding printed as a first anniversary gift for the new husband, but still no offer to pay. Maybe she contacted me this last time thinking I would persuade her? I told her I'm sorry. Your nephew deleted them. She flew into a rage and was